happened with the like he has a marriage proposal for her. That
हाँ तो
part
अच्छा किया ना, like
मेरे से
even the
मेरे
marriage,
को नहीं
no, I
समझा.
mean it makes sense, you know, because he's not the kind of person कि वो, you know, he's gonna be like dating her or like anything like that. Like he's just like, you know what, मैं proposal दूंगा, अगर उसको बोलना yes करना है yes कर दे, no करना no कर दे, you know,
Yeah.
whatever is in my mind, it goes through.
Right, but where is this proposal coming from? Like, you saw her mistreating him, like, and
No,
then
no, her mistreating him. I don't think he was
no,
mistreating her, man.
no, no,
What are you
no.
talking about?
Like she was very brutal. Like तुम्हारे गंदे खून में
कब?
है वो the
वो तो
whole.
बहुत पहले की बात है यार. She even
अरे,
apologized.
even then she apologized, but then I mean she might be still thinking the same thing for all you know, right? So
But she apologized, na.
she apologized, and he says that he knows that she's like she speaks like this. She's like
Yeah,
when
yeah,
she's
yeah.
angry, she just says whatever comes to her mind.
हाँ, yeah.
So how do you just fall in love, bam, with her, right? It's just
I don't think I think he was always attracted. I mean, in the recent days or
see,
months.
I told you.
शुरू में नहीं.
I told you. That's why he was always peeping at her from corners,
No.
I'm telling you. Bilal was always okay.
I mean,
Okay,
no.
the director, right? You ask him this question: was Bilal always attracted to Iman? Right. So
I don't think so, but like I'll ask.
I feel like that's it. But otherwise, this was so abrupt. Like I did.
No, I mean no. So he basically, I think it was like later on, I think. That's when it started.
Unless he's doing it to protect Iman. Like
No. Because remember when she walks into the office, like that's actually when, you know,
yeah.
sparks fly. Yeah. Like the first date, the first time.
Yeah, for me, it didn't gel. I felt like that was way
I
too
know,
too
I think I
abrupt.
was okay with it because like it was unconsciously was always there, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, ऐसा तो नहीं कि he was repulsed by her,
No,
right? ऐसा तो नहीं है.
he was not, but he did tell Majid, right? I will not care anymore. I'm done, right?
Yeah, तो वो तो बोल देता है ना इंसान.
And then just pepper in your eyes and you go like blah, and then something.
और क्या करे? और क्या?
like,
What else are you supposed to
I'm
do?
gonna propose.
Of course.
It was very
अब
abrupt.
देखो शादी तो करनी है उसको, ठीक है?
हाँ कर लो, कि दुनिया में लड़की की कमी पड़ गई.
तो अब असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर मिल रही है तो कर लो.
अच्छा जी, ठीक है, मान लेते हैं आपकी बात. अच्छा, but I love Iman's mom. She's like, अच्छा वो झगड़ालू है, वो ये है.
बदतमीजी से भी शादी करनी.
शादी क्यों करनी चाहिए? This was the weirdest marriage proposal ever.
It was cute, man. What are you talking about? You know, no. It was, you know, the first part was amazing when he actually says, I